This is Robert here at Infinitude Creative Group. Let's get started with color groups using swatches. Select your group of colors. Click the folder icon at the bottom of the Swatches panel. Start by naming your group. In this case, I will make sure selected artwork is selected, and for now, make sure the others are not. We will see what selecting the Convert Process to Global option does later. Name your Swatches library colors by double-clicking on them. Decide your color type. For this case, we will stick with Process Colors. Verify using Global Colors. Click Preview and notice the bottom corner of the swatch change. Color mode is also an option here. We will be working with RGB. Here's a quick view at the surface level of how useful global colors are. Notice using a plain swatch allows you to change the color while selected. But notice how nothing happens when it's unselected. Now notice how the object will change using a global color instead. Even when the object is unselected and a global color is modified, the object will change to the new color selection. Organize swatches into different color groups. Save your swatches to access later by opening up the menu and clicking on Save Swatch Library as ASE. Go to the directory to save file for later access. Click OK on the warning dialog box. Your ASE files can be saved into a shared assets folder for others to access. To locate them, search in the Swatches menu for Other Library. Then navigate to the .ase file in the directory. A new Swatches panel will open. Clicking the folder icons will populate them into your Swatches panel for use in your document. This will hopefully help maintain color integrity across all of your documents. Thanks for watching. Watch our other videos and make sure to subscribe, like, and comment below this video.